I was in a long and I got stopped out for minimal profit, but some profit. As soon as I saw 3 waves here, I knew that 3 waves equals corrective, right? I need 5 waves for continuation, right? Got 5 waves here, a consolidation. If we don't get 5 waves, I know 3 waves equals correction. Now you got your A, B, C, and I think this is where we turn around to go into wave 2. Okay, don't be fooled by wave 2. That is not going to be the trend. That's just going to be the counter trend, right? Hello, everyone. My name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is January 10th, 2022, and Bitcoin looks like it has one more leg down. Okay, and here is why. All right, we're on the 15-minute chart, small time frame. Here's what I'm seeing. All of this price action here looks to me like a complex wave 4 correction. Okay, looked like a reversal, right? Because it has all of the elements of a reversal, rounded bottom and all. However, this right here is confirmation that this is not a reversal. This is not the bottom. There is one more leg down, okay? After let me get rid of this really quickly. After we printed this right here, this and 3 waves here, okay? The fact that we didn't print 5 waves here was a tell, okay? Yesterday, I was saying that there's 5 waves. This is a trend, right? There's 5 waves. That means it's a trend up. There's a consolidation this is essentially a bull flag, right? So if you get 5 waves after this, then that's for sure a continuation. That's, wave 1, wave 2, that's wave 3. What you got after that was this, right? Let's redraw that. Sorry. What you got after that was a rejection right here, okay? So you got a rejection of this level. You could say it's a retest of the top of this falling wedge, but it's a rejection, okay? So you get a rejection, A, B. This is the impulse down. This is your wave 1 down. And what you're going to find is you're going to have 5 waves down here, and then, a small 2-wave correction and a continuation. Okay, now, what is the target to the downside? Here is where I still think it's very, very, very important to be careful going short here. Although, we are going down. And by the way, zooming out, we have to fix this count, right? And it's always interesting how sometimes a count won't be clear until time elapses, right? This is clearly 1, 2. Now in this third wave, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 in 3. Obviously this is 4 now, and you need 1 more. Okay, so that would make this here. If we fixed this, you would take this here and you would take that there. Okay, so this is the end of 3 right there. All right, so that's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing that we're in a 4th wave. We have 1 more leg down. Okay, and there are some people in the community that did call for this before. So, I see Oz as well. So, kudos to you all for sharing that view. If you do have a differing opinion, if I'm all about substantiation. I know not everybody has the time to explain themselves, but do explain yourselves if you have a moment, if you see like a count is wrong, or if it's more important to say why than what sometimes, because what, everybody has an opinion, but why we can examine and analyze. Anyway, this is what I'm seeing here. How do you get your target for your fifth wave? Very simply, the inverse. It can be the inverse 1, 2, 3, 6 or 1, 6, 1, 8 of the wave 4 correction. So I would say 40K or 39.1. So I'm not seeing a big drop. If anything, I'm seeing 2 to 4%. So I'm seeing a 2 to 4% drop. Still, that's significant, but be very careful shorting, because it may be a quick wick. There's a lot of support at 40K in that region. All right. So that's what I'm seeing with Bitcoin. That's what I'm seeing with the markets. As soon as I saw, like I said, going back on the small time frame, as soon I was in a long and I got stopped out for minimal profit, but some profit. As soon as I saw 3 waves here, I knew that 3 waves equals corrective, right? I need 5 waves for continuation, right? Got 5 waves here, a consolidation. If we don't get 5 waves, I know 3 waves equals correction. Now you got your A, B, C, and I think this is where we turn around to go into wave 2. Okay, don't be fooled by wave 2. That is not going to be the trend. That's just going to be the counter trend, right? Because if you, and this is the last thing I'm going to say, if you take this, whoops, let's get more precise here. If you take your Fibonacci extension tool at the top of this move, that would be your A. This is the site of rejection, right? 5 waves down, 3 waves up. You see that we just hit the 1, 2, 3, 6 extension, which is maximal retracement for a C wave in an ABC. Okay, so if this indeed is an ABC, this is where we turn around. Okay, so if you're gonna short this, and this is a legitimate trade, if you're gonna short this, you would wait until this wave here retraced. So where does it start? It starts here. B ends here. It starts here, right? So this wave here retraces to at least the 382. If this is the complete wave, I think there's 5 waves in here. Let's see. This is 1. This is 2. It looks like this is the 3rd wave. This may be 5 waves. I'm not exactly sure, but maybe 5 waves. It's likely that it's 5 waves because it hit the 1, 2, 3, 6. In any case, the retracement would go to a minimum of the 382 before continuing. So that's the short play there. Obviously a maximal retracement of the 618 is in play for a 2-wave correction, but minimum correction back to 41,310. But once again, expect a rejection at around here for a short play, okay? And a conservative target would be 40K, just conservative, because remember, although most wave 5 retraces, waves 5 retrace to the 1618, the inverse 1618 of the 4-wave correction. They can also retrace to the 1, 2, 3, 6. So please don't overshoot your targets if you're going short and get caught in a big bounce, because you may get a huge bounce at 40K. All right, that's it from me. Hope this was helpful. Hope this was useful. Like, share, and subscribe if you're not, right? This is one of the few technical analysis channels on YouTube for crypto, right? Most channels will tell you what, they won't tell you why. Here we substantiate everything. We're not always right, but we're mostly accurate, all right? And so I pride myself on that, and hopefully you enjoy that and you get value from that. Even when I'm wrong, you see my analysis, you see my work, you learn, you grow. The more you know, the more you're likely to make. All right, that's it for me for today. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.